Hi everyone, it's me Queenie again and again. For today's vlog, I'll be transforming this old shirt into a cute urban top. Let's start! This is our shirt. I just simply cut it straight from below the sleeve up to the end of the shirt sleeve. After cutting it straight, from the center, I measure 11 inches. That's how long would be my top, plus 1 inch seam allowance. That's make it 12 inches in total. Then I just mark my 12 inches marking and cut it out. My top is 23 inches wide when folded, and make sure that your top is wide enough. Then I started hemming the bottom, including also the top edges because I don't want to have those rough edges. Then I just basically folded it twice, then pin it. After pinning the top and bottom edges, I then proceed on hand sewing it. I have a mini sewing machine at home, but I'll be showing you guys that without the sewing machine, we can still transform our clothes into something we want. We just need a little patience because sewing with the use of our hands is a bit long process. But if you love what you're doing, then you'll enjoy it. As long as you're happy, then I think that's what matters the most. I don't know what kind of hand stitching this is, but I'm trying not to make the thread visible in front so it will still give me satisfaction, and of course it will still look pretty outside. That's how it will look like after sewing it. Obviously, as you can see it, I'm really trying my best so no thread will be visible, and I think it's maybe not good enough, but I think it's more than okay also. Next is I have 20 inches long elastic for the chest part and 15 and a half elastic long for the bottom part of my top. I just basically hand stitched the elastic, combining both sides together, and then I divided the measurement of the elastic into 4 and mark it. I also repeat the process into my top, divided into 4 and mark it also. Then from the bottom, I mark 4 inches long. That is where I am going to put the elastic later, and mark it also at the back part of the top so I can easily pin it and sew it in place. Make sure that you are marking on the wrong side of your top. I also marked 2 inches long, including the front and the back part of the top also. Now you'll fully understand why you have divided the elastic and the fabric into four, so when putting on the elastic into the fabric, it will gather on the same amount of fabric each side, then the markings will help your work easy and simple to adjust. You'll just need to pin the elastic in place and start to sew it. This time I used my mini sewing machine, but you guys can really sew it by hands. I'm just in a bit hurry while doing this because I have said it will take time doing the process, so I apologize. This how it would pretty look like. I like this top and also the color. I'm planning to make more DIY thrift lifting and tree transforming, so please support me guys. Remember the remaining fabric that I have cut on the bottom area earlier? I use it as my tiny strap. I just removed the existing fabric, divided it into four cause it will need 4 pieces of strap. And each strap measures 11 inches long. Next is I just do a running stitch, leaving one side open and closing the other end of the strap. Then I just flip it. Now the last part is to attach the strap into the top and you're ready for a final look. is our final look.